going, and welcome back to day 8 of 21 days to good hair. I am particularly excited for this one because it is for the first time that we will be making a hair gel today. Even the ingredient is super effective. So today's ingredient is flaxseed. I'm not too sure how many of you are aware of flaxseed, but it's a great fiber crop. It's called alsi in Hindi, that helps you maintain cholesterol, helps in digestive system. So it is also great for your hair because it has got amazing levels of vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acid, and both these ingredients help in control hair fall. It also helps control and balance the pH level of your scalp. So flaxseed in its own has this consistency when boiled in water converts into a gel. So we are not adding any other ingredient but just flaxseed to water. Let's get on to the procedure and you will see how. If this is the first time you're having a look at flax seeds, this is how it looks like. So we'll be taking half a cup of flaxseed and boiling it in 5 cups of water for about 20 to 30 minutes. If you want to make more gel, then you have to take water proportionately. So if you want to make 1 cup, then 10 cups of water. Let's go. Hey guys, so I'm back after the hair wash. This recipe is special not only because it's a gel that we made for the first time, but also because one of you sent it. Yes, one of my viewers of the challenge sent this. Her name is Kavya. Thank you, Kavya, for sharing this. And she just couldn't stop raving about it because it has done such wonders for her. She said that the results started showing in 1 or 2 weeks itself, and it has helped reduce her hair fall. It has resulted in hair growth. She also says she applies the same pack, the leftover, on her face as well, which helps in control pimple, makes your skin brighter and supple. So I would like to call this recipe a wonder gel because you can apply it on your hair, you can apply it on your face. I also applied it on my eyebrows. So the comb test also shows a good result. There was no hair fall in the shampoo, but all that you see, the hair fall was all in the comb test. There's no other extra hair fall. All the leftover that you saw is now sitting in my fridge because it has a shelf life of a month. So use it regularly. Do remember to massage it really well into your scalp. And yeah, I hope it does wonders for you as well. So guys, this was day 8. I will see you with day 9 very soon. Bye guys.